Hello, this is Mr. Allegro's tutorial on how to get to our library references online using our web browser for our Pharoah research project. First, as always, we want to start on our google.com homepage at google.com. We now want to search up in the toolbar the Watertown Middle School, MA. MA standing for Massachusetts. Please scroll down until we get to the Watertown Public Schools website, www.watertown.k12.ma.us. Click on this link will bring us to the Watertown Public Schools homepage. We want to go up to the first search bar and get to the schools icon, lower down to WMS. In WMS, there are 5 tabs: Our Schools, School Information, Services, District Information, and Community Information. To search up references in the library, we want to go to School Information and then click on the link to Library. On the left-hand side, you will see a section created called Research Guides. Please go ahead and click on the Egyptian Pharaohs Research Guide. This section of the library content allows us to look up whatever pharaoh we are researching within our library databases and 6 websites that aren't Wikipedia. There is also a link to the book search for the Watertown Middle School Library on the same page. Clicking on this and also looking up your subject will bring up a vast amount of books within our school library that could be used as references. But for now, let's start to use our library databases using one out of the 5 content books or reference guides given on our online system. I'm going to try the Britannica School. By clicking on this tab, it will bring me to the home page of the Britannica School, an online encyclopedia. In the search bar, I'm going to throw in the name of the pharaoh that I am researching, named Dozier. It has given me Dozier on 3 different levels. The higher the level, the more intricate your articles will be regarding your pharaoh. On level 3, I'm going to click on one link to a reference guide. After reading the article for my information, I could either print it to a local copier or printer, I could email the story to myself, or I could even find out how to cite the article using the Cite button. What is great about Britannica School are the pictures. Don't forget to always write down where and when you were able to access your reference guide online by clicking the Cite button. At the bottom, you will see how your book should be cited for either a written reference section, a typed reference section, a written bibliography, or a typed bibliography, depending on what citation style your teacher is asking for, most likely MLA. Again, citing your work, whether you're handwriting or typing into your reference or bibliography section, can be done by clicking on the Cite button in Britannica School. Thanks so much.